Hello, friend.
Surprise!
One question. Can tan skin return to normal? Yes. Over time, as sun exposure decreases and old skin cells are replaced, the skin decreases and old skin cells are replaced. The skin can gradually return to its original type.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Let's go.
Come back.
Okay.
Oh my god! Wow!
No! God, please, no!
Oh my god!
Ha!
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Dale tú.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay.